given that y equals to 2 to the power of x. Express 4 to the x in the form of y. Okay, 4 to the power of x is equal to 2 squared all to the power of x. We could write it down as a 2 to the x all to the power of 2, which means it is, since 2 to the x is y, therefore it will become y squared. Hence or otherwise solve 8 4 to the x minus 9 2 to the x plus 1. So 8 4 to the x minus 9 2 to the x add 1 equals to 0. We know that 4 to the x is equals to y squared. So we could write down 8 times y squared minus 9 times 2 to the x is equals to y, add 1 equal to 0. So therefore 8y squared minus 9y add 1 equals to 0. So let's factorize this. We would get 8y minus 1 y minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore 8y minus 1 equals to 0. Y is 1 over 8. And y equals to 1. So when y is equals to 1 over 8, we know that y is 2 to the x. 2 to the x is 1 over 8, which means 2 to the x is 8 is 2 to the power of 3. It becomes 2 to the minus 3. Therefore, x is minus 3. And another option is where y is equals to 1, which means 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, therefore x is equals to 0. Right, the next question. So the graph of y equals to f of x is given. Let's say y equals to f of x is here. So we need to sketch y equal to 3 times f of x and y equals to f of x minus 4. So let's sketch y equal to 3 times f of x. So what impact this 3 is going to have on the graph? So since we're multiplying f of x by 3, all the y values will multiply by 3. So stretch on y-axis by 3. Therefore, the coordinate of A will be minus 2 and 4 times 3, which is 12. So let's clarify what would happen for coordinate of A was originally minus 2 and 4. We need to sketch y equal to 3 times f of x. So the new A will become minus 2 and 12. Initially the coordinate of B was 3 and minus 8. New coordinate for B would be 3 and minus 8 times 3 is minus 24. The roots of the graph will remain exactly as it was. So therefore, if I sketch the y equals to 3 times f of x, let's say here is minus 2 and 12, and here is 3 and minus 24. So the roots of the graph would remain exactly the same and the graph would stretch on y-axis by scale factor of 3. This one was for part A. Part B, y equals to f of x minus 4. We need to take away 4 from all the y values. So therefore, a was initially minus 2 and 4. The new a would be minus 2 and 0. B was 3 and minus 8. The new b would be 3 and minus 12. So it was crossing the x and y axis at 0 and 0. The origin was 0 and 0. Now the graph will move down by minus 4. So the new origin O would be 0 and minus 4. Therefore, if I sketch the graph, it will look like so. Let's say minus 2 and 0 is here. 0 and minus 4 is here. And 3 and minus 12 is here. So this one would be the graph of y equals to f of x minus 4. And this one is obviously y equals to 3 times f of x.